brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Oh man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Everybody wanna do the
लगभग 100 से ज़्यादा लोग आए हुए थे. They are all from होटल एंड हॉस्पिटलिटी इंडस्ट्री. सारे बड़े बड़े जितने भी होटल हैं नवी मुंबई में, जितने 5 स्टार 4 स्टार होटल हैं, सबके जनरल मैनेजर और उनके डायरेक्टर्स, मैनेजर्स एंड ओनर्स यहाँ पे आए हुए थे और दे हैव एंजॉयड दिस. तो इनके उत्साह को और बढ़ाने के लिए और इनके बिजनेस को और ग्रो करने के लिए हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कोशिश करेंगे और एवरी साल हम करेंगे और बड़े लेवल पे करेंगे.
ॲक्च्युली थँक्स टू गौतम सर. माझं पूर्ण करिअर हॉटेल इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये होतं. 20 इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपिरियन्स इन हॉस्पिटॅलिटी इंडस्ट्री. आणि मी जेव्हा हॉटेल अवॉर्ड सेरेमनीला जायचो बॉम्बे, दिल्ली, बँगलोर आणि चेन्नई सिटीमध्ये, तर मी रिअलाईज केलं जेव्हा मी इथे 4 पॉईंट्समध्ये काम करत होतो ॲज अ डायरेक्टर ऑफ सेल्स अँड मार्केटिंग आणि डायरेक्टर ऑफ ऑपरेशन, की छोट्या सिटीजमधले जे हॉटेल्स आहेत त्यांना अपॉर्च्युनिटी आपण खूप कमी देतो आहे. आम्ही जेव्हा पण हॉटेल इंडस्ट्रीचे अवॉर्ड्स घ्यायला जायचो तेव्हा आम्ही फक्त लक्झरी हॉटेल्स, मोठमोठे ब्रँड्स वगैरे त्यांची अपॉर्च्युनिटी मिळायची आणि जे Tier 2 सिटीचे हॉटेल्स आहेत त्यांना कम्प्लिटली इग्नोर केलं जायचं. मग मी ही आयडिया आणि हा कन्सेप्ट, ही कल्पना सरांची शेअर केली. आणि जेव्हा मी आता मी आय एम अ डायरेक्टर ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट रिलेशन ॲट नवी मुंबई चेंबर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स. वेन आय शेअर दिस आयडिया विथ सर, जेव्हा मी आयडिया शेअर केली सरांबरोबर, तर आम्ही हा विचार केला की लेट्स हॅव अ अवॉर्ड सेरेमनी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम नवी मुंबई ॲज अ इंडिया हॉटेलियर अँड हॉस्पिटॅलिटी अवॉर्ड. आणि मी बघतो की याचा जो उत्साह आहे सगळ्या GMsमध्ये आणि सगळ्या हॉटेलमध्ये इज व्हेरी हाय. सगळ्यांना नेक्स्ट इयर पार्टिसिपेट करायचं आहे जोराने. आणि सगळे GMsनी मला कमिटमेंट दिलेले आहे की आम्ही सगळ्या पीपल कॅटेगरीमध्ये आणि हॉटेल कॅटेगरीमध्ये आम्ही उत्साहाने पार्टिसिपेट करू आणि लुक फॉरवर्ड टू हॅव मोर अवॉर्ड सेरेमनीज इन अपकमिंग इयर. इयर बाय इयर आम्ही हा अवॉर्ड खूप मोठ्या लेवलला घेऊन जाऊ आणि तीच आशा आहे आमची. वी आर डुईंग आवर बेस्ट.
थँक्यू.
So hi, I'm Ravi Patel from Skoda, area sales manager. I handle Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. So I'm here. Thank you for a wonderful event. It was very, very good. Can I repeat? Loud. What loud? Okay. I'm Ravi from Skoda, area sales manager. I handle Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Thank you for inviting this wonderful event, and it was really, really good experience. And he's our colleague from DR Auto.
So myself, Pradeep Samant, I am the CEO for DR Auto. We are the dealership, authorized dealership for Skoda in Navi Mumbai. So we are associated, we are the sponsors for this event, and we are associated with this and Navi Mumbai Chamber of Commerce. So we have been associated with this, and this is a very good event wherein as far as the luxury and hotels are concerned, and Skoda is also into premium cars, so that is why we are associated, and this is a lovely event which is happening. Thank you very much.
Chalet Hotels and 4 Point Sheraton at Navi Mumbai has been a pride recipient of this awards. We have been an iconic hotel at Navi Mumbai for the last 13 years and continue to do so. And thank you for all the love which is honored and showered to all of us here. And it's all responsibility from our team and the guests who love us. It's clearly the love that has been showered onto 4 Points by Sheraton. And thank you very much, and looking forward to welcome each one of you. Namaste and see you guys soon. Thank you.
So first of all, thank you everyone for inviting us, and it was organized by Navi Mumbai Chambers of Commerce, but it was not only restricted to Navi Mumbai, it was restricted across Pan India, and we are very proud that we have been a proud winner as leading resort of the year. And thank you everyone for supporting us, and we expect much more such events to come in near future. Thank you.
What's your planning, sir, about the next time also you have got the same award next year? 623 years of plan about
Plan is we are expanding and we expect to lead the ladder, not only leading resort but slowly coming up in Navi Mumbai as well.
So काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. We are fully excited. So it's a Paramount Riverfront Resort in Karjat, and we have been awarded as the best upcoming resort in Karjat. So it's a beautiful property which is located in 8 acres of land, which has a capacity of almost 200 plus guests, and it is located in one of the best prime location of Karjat. Thank you. Thank you.
Because we are very young in this hospitality industry, about 1.5 years. We already acquired about 12 properties. Within Mumbai, we have got about 6 hotels, and outside Maharashtra, we have got about 5. We are very happy with the growth of the group.